welcome back. Today I'm going to be going over what I decided to use for the Assignment2A portion of our week 2 assignment. And as you can see, got a lot of bugs in front of us here. So my idea was, I do a lot of fly fishing, and the three main groups of bugs that you see when you're doing a lot of fly fishing for trout species are stoneflies, mayflies, and caddisflies. And so basically wanted to go ahead and make a little bug ID. Basically went in and found all the pictures of all different species of the overarching families of stoneflies and mayflies, in order to train the models, have 20 different images of those, and then basically going in, utilizing those as the training data, and then validating those with different images that we put through. So let's go ahead, starting from the top. We'll just train that again real quick. So training is complete. Training with efficient net was very easy, as we just saw. And next we'll go to our demo model, and in here we're going to go ahead and add a file. First we'll start with a new stonefly image. Go ahead and open that. Let it do its thing. So pretty well accurately finds stonefly. Up next we'll throw a mayfly in there. From our validation set, there we go. Not so much, little room for error there. And then lastly, we're going to throw a caddisfly in there to see which does it give us. Does it give us more of one or the other? But mainly we'll see that it doesn't really give you one. It said, okay, it called this more stonefly, but knowing that this is a caddisfly and the margins of error there, it's also easy to see that that is not that bug. We'll go back here, looking at our mobile net here, same thing. It was very quick and easy to train. We'll train again real quick. Here we go. Got some data coming through there. Go to our demo model. And we'll add our files again. There we go. High likelihood for stonefly there. And these are pretty, I tried to get images that would be similar to one you would take like out on the water if you're fishing. Let's try a different one here. There we go. Doesn't really know, can't really give you one or the other there. This one said more mayfly-ish. So then lastly, we'll go back to our training and we'll hit up the ResNet 50. We'll train that again real quick. There we go. For whatever reason, data is not coming through there on training validation. Either way, got class-wise scores of 100% again for all three models. And lastly, we'll add our files. There we go. Stonefly, mayfly, and a caddisfly. And there we can see it's not quite so sure. Probably leans more towards stonefly on this due to the legs. You can see 3 legs right there, and that's what stoneflies are known for. So anyways, a quick reflection. Overall, this was much easier than I anticipated, especially using image data. Overall, I did have trouble when it came to the adding the data. It was very particular. It wanted JPEGs. I had issues with anything that was a web file or anything that was outside of a JPEG or a .png. So that was important to note. That was really the only hiccup I ran into. But as far as utilizing this technology, it was very easy, and I honestly look forward to using it in the future. As far as a free resource goes, this is very interesting to work with in machine learning. So we'll see you in the next one.